Hey, what's up, fellas? So my green APU is still doing this. Let's wait. You're gonna hear it's turning, but look. It's like 3 turns and that's it. Okay. So what I'm thinking, it may be fuel pump solenoid. It's right here, right there, and it's fairly cheap, so I decided to buy it. I'm gonna replace it and we'll see. I got the connector off. It looks like this. And here is 1516, and it's loose already, but it's very hard to get there to remove this. Oh, I managed to squeeze my hand in there somehow, and I'm pulling it out. I mean, I'm screwing. I hope it's this. Got it out. Not yet, but almost. Here's the old one. I'm gonna have to take this gasket because I don't have the new gasket on this one, so I'm gonna have to reuse the old one. This is it. It's not a gasket, fellas. It's like huge metal washer with a rubber thing on it. So, yep. Got it on. I'm gonna try to squeeze it and put it back over there in this hole. In this hole right there. Right there. It's coming in. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna have to wiggle. Guys, I don't know how, but I got this thing in. Okay, fellas, it's nice and tight. Now that's connected, and try to start this thing. Alright, we're back in the truck. Let's try. First try. Whoop. One more time. Let's try it again. Nope. It's gotta be the fuel pump then. Gonna try a few more times. Maybe the fuel system is empty. It's alive! Alright, fellas, one more time. It's alive.